All right, welcome to another trade recap. Today is the 21st of April 2026. So, took a win today, about $990, I think. 330 across three accounts. Took a long, and it was exactly what I wanted to see, so we'll get into it. So, market open yesterday, right? We'll go replay, start new, find yesterday. Bang, bang. Okay, so what I was looking for, right, is we have a data high, data low. So that's important to know because originally I wanted to see data low get swept and then push higher. We have a 15-minute gap here. Cool. All right. Let's go on the 1 minute time frame, see what happens. Okay. So what I wanted to see happen was price take this data low, tap this 15-minute gap, and then we could target our data highs. But really, no matter what happens, I'm bullish on the day. So market opens, we take data high straight away. And I was like, okay, cool, whatever. So now I'm going to wait for data low to be swept before I think about doing anything, right? And here we have a plus pattern trade, tap into nothing, deliver off nothing, inverse the gap, target that. So A plus pattern trade for you dummies. And then we got another A plus pattern trade right here for the rest of you dummies. Bang, enter. This one actually worked though. Okay, so we swept our data high. We open a gap. If this gap inverses, are we going to take it? No, because we're pretty much on par. We've had 15-minute gap that's been untapped. So still there, create equal lows on the 15-minute gap. Now I'm just waiting for it to come down. Chopping around for a little. And then I think here is where we start to move down. Okay, move down there. Tap into this gap. Respect it perfectly. And then we get an inversion here. Not there. Next candle. I entered here. And I only got a 1-to-1. I'll explain why I got a 1-to-1 and not a break even. Because this trade would have been a break even for a lot of you. Okay? And I got break even on my combines as well. But my XFA is 1-to-1. So, enter this trade here. Because we swept our data low. We're bullish on the day. And we tap into our 15-minute gap. And we get a 1-minute inversion gap out. That is my entry model. That is an A plus entry for me. I'm going break even here. And I'm getting out of the trade because although on the higher time frame, NQ is our leading index, on the lower time frame, ES is our leading index. Okay? So, ES is about here, right? So, when ES takes this high, that's when I'm getting out of the trade. So, we come up, we take break even, right? Then we chop around for a little, and then ES takes the high, and I get out of the trade. That's it. So I did want to see price come up to these highs. I originally had my TPs out this high here, but it just started slowing down. ES started slowing down a little bit around these highs. So I was just like, okay, I'm going to go break even as soon as, I'm going to take profit as soon as ES takes the high, and that gave me about a 1-to-1. What ended up happening is we chop around a little bit and then we just come straight back down. Woohoo. But yeah, so that'll wrap it up for today. Nice little win, and hopefully I can get another one tonight. Anyway, see yous.